In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find the source code of any web page in Mozilla Firefox. So if you want to find the source code, there are two ways you can go about it in Moxilla. The first way is you can just right click on any empty space. For instance, let me open this website. And if I want to find or to view the source code of this website, I'll just go ahead and right click on an empty space and then tap on the option called view page source. So if I click on it, the page source is here of this website. If I also go on this, I can also try here. I just go ahead and tap on view page source, and this will highlight all the page source on this web page, and I can be able to find anything here. So to find anything on this page or on this website, instead of going through all the codes that are here, for instance, I'm looking for maybe an image, I just go ahead and tap on control find, and then this will open a box here where I can type in anything to find what I want. So if I type image, it will highlight all the words with the word image, and you can see it is here. So by using this combination, you can find the source code or you can find anything on a web page. Alternatively, to find the source code of any web page, you can go to these three dots here and then tap on it and scroll down and look for more tools. Under more tools, look for the option called page source. If you click on it, it will now go ahead and open the source page of this web page. So that's how you find the source code of any web page using Firefox. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.